Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm in my newest game called Tama County Fire Department, and I'm happy I made this. These are my members. This is Kyle, this is Taylor, and this is Josh. These are our trucks. I'll give you a rundown. This is our 2018 KMB Panther. It's pretty cool. Everything works on it. Everything also works on this car. This is a 2016 Chevy Tahoe. And this is a 2018 Spartan. And this is a 2015 Pierce Arrow. And this is our primary unit. These guys didn't open the doors on the truck yet. Here we go. Oh. Jeez, okay. Also give you a tour of the station. So these are some of the lockers. This is the kitchen and the living room. Who was that? Oh. This is the gear room. I can't go in there. I don't know why. I gotta fix that. I hate these things, but they're still pop-ups, and there are bunker gears, so I don't really hate them. They're annoying. Anyway, this is our bunker room, and this is our bathroom with some more lockers. Engine 2 is a fire alarm. We're gonna respond with them. Our bunker coat. Don't mind, it says Buffalo City. It's totally fine. I like to put the vest on. Adds more flavor to the truck. Or the gear. Oh, I forgot the helmet. Jeez Louise. I'm a fireman. How do I forget my helmet? Well, I'm a chief, but how do I forget my helmet? Like, it's crazy. Anyway, the station's located down the street, right from the subway. I based this off the Station 51 for emergency. Come on, guys, let's go. Hurry up. Put it in drive, guys. Let's go. Please. Alright, here we go. We're rolling. There we go. I just love this truck so much. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe while we're responding to this call, and share a copy link 3 times. Trailer homes. Anyway, this is our MTD. That's the driver. The firemen sit back there. It's pretty cool. It's fun too. So yeah. This is our truck. I don't really have words to say, guys. I just wanted to film a video to entertain you guys. So yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and let me know in the comments what I should do next. Well, I don't know, Taylor. It was a fire alarm. Anyway, we're going to prep a line. Josh, Taylor, search. It's just a single story. It's a single story. Why are we checking every home? No. Alright, you guys do you. Pump overheat. I'm going to prep a line. So I got the line here. Any fires yet, guys? Well, I got the high price pack so we could connect to one of the fire hydrants around, so we could get some straight direct water. I'm gonna check this house for him. Fire department, open up. Got a small stove fire, guys. I didn't know I did that. Yeah, but still. It's still entertaining. Right, go, 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 go. Yeah, look in here at this fire. It looks big. It's not as big as you think it could be. Right. Is this a single story? Or is this a double story? Oh, I thought it was a double story. Got him. Never mind. Sorry guys about that cough. I'm sorry I'm kind of slurring my words. I don't really know why, but... So great job guys. We're gonna drive back and we're gonna end the video. So we're going to open the door here. Our pack back into the seat. Guys, there's no need to argue over who's driving. Just get in the truck and let's go. Just go, guys. Once we get back, we're gonna end. It's been 9 minutes. Anyway, guys, if you enjoy this content, like I said, like and subscribe. It would really help me out a lot. Anyway, we're gonna end it here. We're gonna end it here. And I hope you guys had a great time filming this. Or I had a good time filming this, and you guys should have a good time watching it. Alright, I'll see you guys. Bye.